Miriam, please quiet down.
I'm not going to quiet down.
Why not?
Because
We have a verbal agreement. You would not.
the cops told me,
We have a verbal agreement.
that
You would
I am
not
the
wake me
woman
up
in the
before
house,
10.
And I can,
Let me see the deed then. Let me see the deed
go
showing.
back into your room.
Let me see the deed.
Go back into your room.
This is your second warning. We have a contract. You're not to wake me up
Here,
before
your son
10.
is bugging me. Your son is bugging me. Can you come and talk to him?
You can film me all
Go
you.
back in his room, please.
You can film me all you want. I have you on film trying to wake me up, which is physical abuse.
The cops told me that
Legally.
I can go the next day.
Legally, that's torture. Let me see the deed then. Let me see the deed that shows your ownership of the house.
Your son is harassing me. Can you tell him to go back into his room?
Actually, you've been harassing me. So I'm kindly asking you to stop. Did you just turn it up louder? Miriam, please turn the TV down. Okay, Miriam, we have a verbal contract. You would not wake me up before 10, and I have evidence of this. Please turn the TV down. You've turned it up louder.
I'm not going to.
Okay, you're on video. You do realize that.
I'm not going to turn it down.
I could show this to a cop.
You can show him to a cop. Call him. Call him.
You want me to call?
Call him.
Are you threatening me?
No, I'm not threatening
Is
you.
that a threat?
I'm not threatening you.
Why did you tell me to call the police?
Because you're saying that you're going to show it to the police.
Was that a threat?
No, I never threatened anybody. Never.
Are you sure about that? You want to be quoted on that?
You know what? I'm not going to talk to you. I'm not interested in talking to you. Go back to your room.
Why are you turning up the TV? Actually, you can't tell me what to do. Miriam, let me see the deed that says you are the owner of the house. Then I might listen. Actually, no, you're not my mother, and you cannot use my last name. You have brought so much dishonor to this family. It is ridiculous. No, Miriam, you're talking to me. Miriam, you are talking to me. Leave him out of this. You are talking to me. You are talking to me. Leave him out of this. Okay, Miriam, do you consent to me waking you up in the middle of the night as much as I want?
You can do whatever you want.
Okay, you've just consented. Thank you. I'm done recording.